Welcome to Nature's Abundant Garden. Today we're talking about how to grow delicious, juicy tomatoes. First things first, if you want to start your tomatoes from seeds, you'll probably want to start them indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost in your area. This way, they'll be ready to transplant into your garden once the weather warms up. To start your seeds, fill a seed tray or pots with seed compost and water it well. Sprinkle your tomato seeds on the surface, then cover with a layer of compost or vermiculite. Place the tray in a propagator or cover with a plastic bag to keep in the moisture, and place it in a warm spot, around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. Once your seedlings are large enough to handle, transplant them into pots. When all risk of frost has passed, and the soil has warmed up, transplant them into your garden or greenhouse. Choose a spot that gets plenty of sunshine, and plant your seedlings deep, up to their first set of leaves. This will encourage strong root growth. Water well and mulch around the base of the plants to keep in moisture. Now, let's talk about how tomatoes can fit into a permaculture food forest. In a permaculture system, we aim to mimic the natural ecosystem and plant a diverse range of species that can support each other. Tomatoes can be a great addition to a food forest as they can be grown vertically, taking up minimal space. Some great companion plants for tomatoes include basil, carrots, onions, and marigolds. Basil helps to repel pests and improve the flavor of the tomatoes, while carrots and onions can be grown in the spaces between the tomato plants. Marigolds help to deter pests and improve the health of the soil. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss an update from Nature's Abundant Garden. So there you have it, a simple guide on how to grow tasty tomatoes in your own garden. With a little bit of care and attention, you'll be enjoying homegrown tomatoes in just a few months. Thanks for joining us here in Nature's Abundant Garden. Happy gardening!